guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I color my hair. I got this shade from Birds of Paradise and the shade name is Ginger Copper. Yes, I'm going ginger without bleach, without taking off this color. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Look at the job. It's basically to achieve or try to achieve copper, just applying on top of this hair, because my hair is already kind of faded burgundy, so the color should show up. It most probably will show up. So I'm gonna section my hair just as half. Make sure your hair is washed, or at least 1 day washed, before you only color your hair. If you're gonna bleach your hair, then you don't really have to worry about your hair being dirty. But if you're only gonna color your hair, just like I am, then you need to, you need to wash your hair before. Like, it can be a little bit dirty, but not to the point that it's extremely greasy. I'm not gonna use any gloves because I don't have gloves with me. So please don't judge me for this. This is a semi-permanent hair color, so it will wash off anyway. So yeah, this is a semi-permanent hair color. And it is only meant to show on bleached hair. Like, if your hair is bleached, this color would show up, or any semi-permanent color would show up. If your hair is not bleached, then it's not going to show up. It's just not going to show up on black hair, basically. So you need to have bleached hair. So I'm just going to apply on top because my hair is already bleached. I'm just going to take small sections and I'm just going to apply the color all over my hair. Problem with my life is my hair. It is a problem because it's so hard maintaining my hair. It just doesn't grow at all. Even if, see, I'm gonna give you a year's time and I'm gonna show you how much my hair grows. It's gonna grow into nothing. Even though I'm not gonna bleach my hair, even though I'm not gonna do any treatments, but still my hair is not gonna grow, and I know that. Let's just wait and watch how my hair works. Yeah, I think this color might show a bit, but it might go back to red as well, or it might come up as a kind of a red ginger color, maybe. Or maybe it might show nothing and my hair will be back to red. If that happens, I'm gonna cut my hair. You guys are gonna witness. If the hair color changes, I'm gonna keep it. If my hair color doesn't change, bye-bye. I'm cutting all my damaged hair and I'm gonna grow it back. Because I wanna grow my hair. For some reason, I'm growing old. I wanna have a long hair. I really, really wanna have a long hair. So this is how my hair looks. I don't know how much this is gonna show, but let's just hope for the best. My hair is too damaged, dude. So this is how my hair turned out to be. Not exactly ginger copper, but the color has actually toned my hair. It looks much more refresher. I have added some layers to my hair and chopped off all my damaged ends. I really wanted to do that. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.